Hi everyone, welcome to maths video class 6th. Um, first of all, I'm recording this video on Dashera. So happy Dashera to all of you. Okay, have a blissful Dashera and happy Dashera. Now, few of you had doubts like, ma'am, can you show the papers where our marks went or what mistakes we have done? See, now I had almost corrected 115 to 116 papers, so I can't remember all the like who has performed what. Okay, so because I have many of you, I have not seen your faces also, so 90% of the students are new to me. Okay, so like I was not teaching you last year, ma'am. Like 70% of the students I was not teaching last year, so I am not so much well acquainted with the students and their performances. But of course I have the list. According to the list and mark sheets only I have checked. So if some mistakes are there, for that what I'm doing is to know them, because I cannot 120 students, I cannot tell everybody where you did mistake. Okay, because now at present I have not shown you papers. I don't know what school will take decision regarding that, but what I am doing is I'm just sharing, which I have already done before, the answer key. So if you do go according to these answer key, you will understand what mistake you might have done. Okay, for example, first directly I have written here, if you have written steps then also you will get marks. If you have written only this part, then you will get full marks. Okay, 3 marks. Then in second one, if you can see, many of you, what you have done is 2 12s are 24 upon 60. So 24 upon 60 is your final answer, but final answer is 2 is to 5. You have to convert it into lowest form. So if you have done only up to 24 upon 60, your 1 mark is lost. Now here you can see a plus b. So few of you have done solved only this, you have forgotten this, so marks have lost here. And this you can see, this is the easy. So question number 4. Question number 5, greater is 8541 and smaller number is 1458. Now here also many have lost marks. Why? Because what they have done is, after every number 8541, so comma, putting comma is wrong. Either you don't put only or you put it correctly after ones, tens, 100 comma. Okay, so if you have done like this after every number comma, then it is wrong because it's not a number. Then question number 6, you will see 2 is to 7. If you have left it 14 upon 49, you have lost marks. Again here also x is to 4. If you have forgotten to cancel, or you don't know, or you have written directly only this one, then again you have lost marks. So this I have written it very short form, but statements you have to write. For one it is this, for 21 pieces how much it will be, 21 articles how much it will be. So at least statements are necessary. If you have not written statements in directly multiplication and written, then you have lost marks. Okay, so here statement, cost of one article is this, so cost of 21 articles is how much, that is compulsory. So final answer is this, rupees. So if you have not written rupees, your marks will be lost. So question number 8, you know now the steps are there, you can check. Question number 9 also, now steps are there, it's there in the so here also many of you have done mistake. 1 hour 20 minutes. So what you have done is, you have written up to 80 upon 120. You have not converted into, many of you have not converted into 2 is to 3. So because of that you have lost marks. Okay, section B. So saving, here many students, what they have done is, according to textbook they have solved the question. In textbook there was 12,500. So what I have done is I have kept it as 12,000 only. I have not taken it 12,500, but many of you have solved according to the textbook question. So your full answer became wrong, or you have scored only 1 mark here, 1 or 1.5 mark here, because of the few steps. Okay, so please write questions correctly, copy questions correctly, and it's not that everything will be according to textbook. Question number 12, you can see, just adding should be done properly. So question number 13, this I was telling, you have, many of you have written only 15 upon 24 and 35 upon 15. Finish. Okay, I'll give only 1 mark and I'll leave. So what you have to do is bring it to lowest form. You have to show they are equal, and then you have to write yes, they are in proportion. Okay, you can do this in this method also. If you have done this anyway, you will get marks. Question number 14, which is greater. Now here many of you have solved up to here and you have left. So obviously I'll give only half mark. And many of you have up to here you have left. Many of you have left up to here. So what you are showing 64 is greater than 55. But you are not writing out of this which is greater, because your final question is out of these two fractions which is greater. You are telling me 64 is greater than 55. Absolutely correct according to your steps. But then since 64 is greater than 55, you should understand that 8 by 11 is, you have to write this 8 by 11, since this, so this. Okay. Since this, so this. So this is the second last step, and this is the final step, because this question is needed. This answer is needed. Because this is the question which is greater. So question number 15. This here many of you have written directly 2000. 2000 is the answer. So you will get only 50% marks, because at least this smallest step should be included. I have given two methods to solve. Either one you have to solve with steps. Okay. So those who were asking me about the answer keys or where I have lost marks, I have uploaded special video for it. So please go through it. Okay. And one more doubt was there. Not doubt actually, but exercise 20A, third one, question 4th, third one, exercise 28, question number 4, third one. Instead of taking B as 0, I have taken it as 3. Okay, so by mistake that happened. See, I also do so many mistakes. So that's the reason why I keep telling you, don't copy questions correctly, because this time I have only done that mistake. So A, B, I generally don't do it. Okay, I'm very careful, but now you know now. Let it be, forget it. So B is 0 and C is 2. Okay. So instead of 0, I had taken 3 previously. So according to that, this was the solution. But now since value of B is 0, so 3 zeros are 0, 0 2s are 0, 2 1s are 2, 3 1s are 3. Signs as usual. So 0 minus 0, no issues. 2 minus 3 minus 1. Okay, so this is the solution. And please go through the video and understand where you have made mistake. Okay, and please start studying for your term 1. This week I'll be uploading syllabus also. Okay, so start studying and go through previous videos for revision. Okay, thank you.